Hey, if you wonder if there's the camera application on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, let's quickly find out. So let's simply move into the All Apps screen, and now we are searching for the camera application. But it looks like that it's not available here, but we can try also if we can download it from the Google Play Store. So let's open it, let's input the camera phrase. Maybe we'll be able to find something like this. So we'll be able to control the shutter of the phone. There we go. And as you can see, we can actually install the Pixel camera, the Galaxy camera. So yeah, we can actually do this, and we can control the camera of the phone. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.